Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are sitting here in comfort and in all kinds of strange smells. And today for our video, we're going to drive a car that we have purchased for $500. And we're going to see just how an old Mercedes with a third of a million miles actually drives. I'm an idiot. You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons? Alright, it looks like snow. Come on, car, you're floored. I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, here she is. I've got her idling just to make sure everything is good. This is my 2001 Mercedes E320, Lola's favorite car, because she got to sit in the back seat before anybody else. But this is it. It was listed as mechanical, and it was listed as an inoperable digital dash with 1 mile. And the car actually has 315,566 miles. 315,000 miles. But the bonus, look at the engine. She's purring like a kitten. This was so unexpected. It really, really was. So, before she dies, or blows up, or runs out of gas, I don't even know how much gas she has, we're going to put Lola inside the house. We're going to open the gates right there, and we're going to take her for a drive. Stay tuned. All right, the gate is open. We are climbing inside. And I got to turn down the air conditioner because it is so cold. Holy moly, this AC works great. Okay, now let there be life. Please go into gear, and we're just gonna kind of see. Okay. We're moving. We're actually moving. Holy moly. Okay, now let's just kind of see if she goes forward. That's my super nice neighbor right there, doing the yard work. Okay. Here it is. Wow. We're moving forward. This is a good thing. This is a really good thing. Here we go. Look at the face. Okay. I think it's good so far. The brakes work. Here it is. Steering, power steering is nice. You gotta be kidding me. Are you gonna shift? Are you gonna shift? Uh-oh. She's not shifting. We're in limp mode. We are in limp mode. Well, you know what? I'm not worried about that because I work on Mercedes, and you guys watch me work on Mercedes. So what do you think the problem most likely is? The 722.6 transmission, almost bulletproof in my opinion. Which means I got a problem with transmission fluid wicking, defying the law of gravity, going from the transmission pan all the way up into the ECU. I'm guessing. Yeah, she's not switching gears at all. She is not switching gears at all. Ugh, okay. All right, as we're driving, look, the car loves me. L-O-V-E. I love you. I love P. No, I don't know what that means. So anyway, she drives great. She just doesn't shift. So what does that mean? Well, that means we're going to look at the transmission computer and see if it's full of transmission fluid. Yes, and for everyone's expectations, I think it's going to be full, which would be a good thing for us because I actually have something that'll fix it in my garage right there. All right, well, we are looking at the transmission computer. And I got to show you something. Look at this. It looks like it's kind of wet, doesn't it? Especially right there. And I hear liquid. I hear liquid. Okay? So underneath this, right here, you have all your computers. 4 screwdrivers. Boom, boom, boom. 4 screwdrivers. 4 screws, and it releases. You got 2 connectors at the top, and this is your transmission computer. I'm getting over my hangnail, so please excuse my thumb. I'll try not to show it again. Anyway, I want to open this up and show you guys what comes out. So we're going to go to the trunk, and I got a screwdriver to kind of wedge this open. I'm going to show you. I guarantee you there is fluid in this. And this is why we only have 1 gear. It's a very common problem. Oh, see, it's already, oh, wow. Okay, I probably should have planned ahead. I'm hiding my disfigurement right here because I don't want you to have to witness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is full. Now, usually what I do is I grab some of these little zip ties and I hold the clips open as I remove the board. Okay, circuit board. So let's just very quickly do that. Okay, you can get under here, and then what I do, wherever there's a little clip, like right there, I should be doing this with a plastic tool. There we go. And I'll do this one. Oh, she is full of stuff. Continuing our work here. Yeah, this is, oh gosh. Can you see? Can you see what's all going to come out? This is bad. But it's also very good. And it also means I got to wash the car because you don't want transmission fluid. Come on. Let go. There you go. Thank you. See, I'm losing all my fluid here. I'm losing my dramatic pour out all the fluid moment. Come on now. Here it is. Here she comes. There it is. Okay. There's your problem. Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, so we're going to set this aside. Wow. And see? Yep. That's the problem. So what we do, we get our electric cleaner, we clean it out. This is a hot mess. That's a hot mess. Look at that. So let me go clean this real quick and we'll be back. Ugh. We're back. We have this cleaned. One thing I do is I drill a little bitty hole. See that right there? So in case any more fluid does happen to find its way where it's not supposed to be, it goes away. Okay? Let's go ahead and install this. There's a little clip at the bottom that kind of holds the bottom of the circuit board right here. I'm just going to push this in. I'll clean this better later. I just want to see if I can fix this as inexpensively and as quickly as possible. Okay, so we'll reinstall this, then we'll get out our code scanner and fixer-upper dude. All right, we're back. It's another day. We have run the codes, and this is what we're getting right here. The P0715 input turbine speed sensor A circuit. Yep, sounds horrible, doesn't it? Well, it's one of 2 things, which means we're going to have to change clothes and climb under the car. It's either that 13-pin connector, and I'll show you what that is in just a minute, or it is the conductor plate, which is a little more involved. You have to drop the transmission pan. Then you get really, really dirty and change the conductor plate, which is kind of on top of things down there at the bottom of the transmission. Does that make sense? Yeah, it's on top of the valve body. So you got to drop the valve body, change the conductor plate, and then refill the transmission, and hopefully it will work. Usually it does. So with this one, what we're going to do first is change that little 13-pin connector because that leaks, And that's why we have transmission fluid kind of wicking all the way up into the transmission computer module, the TCM. So that's an easy fix, and guess who just happens to have one on hand? Yeah, I do. I have one right here. The guy behind the camera has one. So we're going to get dirty and we're going to change that out. All right, I can't sit in the car anymore. Before I even try to get underneath it and everything, I want to charge the battery as we're doing this, and I'm going to get rid of all of this stuff, and especially this. All of these little cigarette butts. Yeah, all this stuff has to get cleaned out, but I do want to show you something. Maybe this is why I'm having issues with the battery. Can you read the date? Can you read it? 4 of 14.
What does this mean?
Yeah, 14. This battery's 8 years old. The battery, like the car, has been around the block a lot. Oh, I got a whole package. Oh, look at this. They're camels. All right, cool. Cool person here. Okay, anyway, we're going to try and charge the battery. I may have a little puff or two. No, I don't smoke. Anyway, yeah, we're going to charge the battery. We'll give this a quick cleaning, and then we'll get underneath it and get dirty. We're going to get dirty. Yep, we found all this stuff in the trunk, a couple of lug nuts. We also found a couple of tools that we are going to use because it's time to charge up this 8-year-old battery. So we're going to put my trusty battery charger on this, and we're going to give her a quick charge. Oh, hopefully, maybe I'll need another tool. I think I do. Okay, dadgummit. This was going to be kind of fun. Oh, here it goes. Okay. Yeah, so we'll get the battery cables off. They've only been on 8 years. Don't know why it'd be difficult to come off. Here it is. Here we go. Okay, we'll get this off like that. Okay, just pretend it's off. Okay, we'll put that right there. This guy loved his music. Look at all these cassettes we have up here. YU? I don't know. Even homemade. Remember when you used to make, I used to call them make-out tapes? Yep. Had a couple of those back in the day. All kinds of cassette tapes. So, what I think is really cool. I found a bird. Is that gorgeous? Also, the previous owner cared about people. He has the CPR lapel pin right here. CPR, trained in CPR. All right, she's idling, and idling very, very nice. Let me show you the part. This is it right there. That is your 13-pin connector. This is in black paint because I'm actually kind of redoing my house too. I'm painting lots of my house. This like goes into the transmission, just above the tranny pan on the front right part. Yes, and these are notorious for leaking. This is how the transmission fluid gets all the way up. It actually defies the laws of gravity, gets up there into the TCM. And this is, look how long has it been on there? 315,000 miles? Could be, I don't know. But I had one just kind of lying around, and I've replaced it. I have, oh, by the way, I have lots of videos on that too, so I didn't really show you all of that. But I replaced this, I have replaced the transmission fluid, and we are gonna hopefully see how this car shifts into second, third, and fourth, and fifth gear. Okay, let's make the lights go off. 1. Come on. 2. And they go off. See? There you go. ABS. Right there. They're off. No transmission. Check engine light either. No check engine light because I have cleared the codes. So let's see what's going to happen now. Hopefully, we'll know very, very quickly whether we have gears or not. It's shifting so much easier, I'll tell you that much. She used to jump into gear. Oh, sorry. My hands are a little greasy and I'm really not enjoying touching the steering wheel because it's gross. Okay, we're gonna know very, very soon. What do you think? Should we go left or right? Left or right? We're gonna go left. For more reasons than one. Here we go, count them. 1, shift. Shift, I say. Shift! Shift! Wait, was that one? Did it shift? I don't know, crap. Let's just kind of see. Okay, we're gonna stop right here. Okay, here we go. I think she's in sport. Shift. 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 She's not shifting. It's a new day and it is the same old problem. Yeah, still working on this. Still working on this. We ran into an issue, okay? My code reader right here, none of them actually, I tried 4 different code readers, could actually link up with my TCM, transmission control module. So, look what we have here. Yeah, same numbers. Mike ran out to the local LKQ, $58 by the way. They have raised, and that's not even with the 90-day warranty. That would have been another $12. I used to buy these for like 20 bucks. They're $58 now, thank you. We're gonna change it out because this one is dry. There's nothing coming out of this one. And I am just wanting to know if that's the issue. And I guarantee you it's going to be the issue. So let me get this thing off and we will replace them. Come on out. This is hard to do one-handed. Okay. Yeah, okay. We'll replace this and then we're going to try to read the codes again and see if we are successful. The new to me TCM is now installed. We will temporarily place this just on top. Why are you not fitting? Sit, sit, sit. Okay. The old one is right over here. Just in case there are any people doubting me. See all the wetness? Yeah, this one, see the wet? Yeah. That's a hot mess. This one's a hot mess. So we're just gonna leave it right here to kind of continue to drain, even though I did put a drain plug in there, and I'll probably drill it out. Put the drain plug back in the new one, okay? I'm so excited, I can't wait. We just got to give it a try. Say a little Hail Mary. Okay. And we are hoping for some changing of the transmission. Are you ready? Please, please, please. Please, please, please. Shift. Oh, it shifted! Oh, did you see that? Watch this. 3. There it is. We fixed the problem. Ah! $58. 58 bucks. And we have fixed this car. Holy moly. Let's enjoy this for just a moment. Let the angels sing. Thank you. So what do you think of her? Yeah, are you happy? She is running and driving. Boom! Perfecto. Yes. Hopefully this lasts. We're going to see how long she will go. If I start having issues again, then it's going to be the... great. Yeah, it's going to be a little more involved. I'll tell you more about that in the next video, okay? Let me know what you think about names. I have one. I've been reading all the comments. Alibaba. I think that's hilarious. I don't want to cause any problems though. So if you have any names for this $500 car, 315,569 miles now. Yeah, we put 3 miles on her. Let me know. Leave a comment for me. Okay, folks, have a great day. We'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.